He has also broken his silence on the charges levied against his newest venture, Rel Jio, by the incumbent players. In a newspaper interview, the Reliance Industries chairman has taken on the Cellular Operators Association of India, saying, and I quote now, "The voting rights of the members depend on the revenue of operators. We have zero revenue, so we are crowded out." Amani goes on to say that while it is the COAI, its view is actually the view of one or two operators and not the view of the entire industries per se. He also reaches out to the existing players, saying he has the utmost respect for companies like Airtel, Vodafone and Idea, who have their own reputation to protect and will not violate the law. And finally, in what can be seen as an outreach to Reliance Industries shareholders, in a way, the country's richest person says he is confident that Rel Jio will not be losing money. And while there may not be windfall returns, the realization will be in high teens. All right, and here's the CNBC TV 18 exclusive on the impact of Reliance Jio launch. Even as the incumbents fight it out on the interconnect issue, CNBC TV 18 learns that their strategy teams are brainstorming over the existing tariff plans, all in a bid to try and take away the thunder from Rel Jio in a way, or at least to compete to the competition that is likely in the next coming months. So we understand that there won't be any sharp cuts. There was an expectation of 40 to 50% cuts, but we understand from our sources that they will be phasing this out. So in the voice sector, we learned that the cuts are likely between 30 to 40% in a phased manner between the October to December quarter. As far as data is concerned, the cuts are likely between 15 to 20%, and this is likely in 2 quarters' time. So it will be done in a very phased manner. Over and above that, there are promotional offers that we are talking about. So we understand that over and above the 40% cut and 15% cut in data, there will be larger promotional offers, which will have a time limit, which will have a festive angle to it, and that's how they're trying to attract consumers. The point is that for calendar year 2017, all three telecom players, including Bharti Airtel, Idea Cellular, Vodafone, are completely rehauling their strategy. We'll, of course, explore that story in depth through the day. But for now, we'll take a very short break.